Today, we are going to check out these two police incidents. A high-speed chase in St. Louis ends in a life-threatening confrontation after a reckless suspect crashes, and a simple traffic stop turns into a chaotic pursuit through a school zone, ending with a crash and an unexpected discovery inside the car. May 28th, 2021. St. Louis, Missouri. Officers attempted to pull over 32-year-old Darn Ricks in connection to an armed robbery investigation, but instead of stopping, he took off, barreling through neighborhoods at over 100 miles per hour, with children nearby.
He just crashed.
Are they still behind it?
Yeah.
How far ahead of them are they?
2-1 priority. He just hit an alley wall. We're heading south. Correction. We're heading back north on Minnesota. We're at Tell him his car's dying. The car is dying. It's going like 10 miles per hour. Eastbound. Eastbound. We're eastbound right now on Chippewa.
Sector 12, copy.
Tell him we're coming up to Pennsylvania. His car's dying.
When was the robbery?
We're at Pennsylvania now. Tell him the car's dying. He's going to run. Pennsylvania. Car's going about 5 miles per hour. He's looking to bail.
Attention cars, that vehicle is now northbound on Pennsylvania from Chippewa, 1803.
Now we're eastbound behind the 2900 block of Chippewa. He's open doored. North on Nebraska. Oh shit!
The chase ended in a crash on Nebraska Avenue, but Ricks wasn't done yet. He jumped out of the car and made a desperate attempt to escape, putting officers in extreme danger. Shots were fired.
2-1, shots fired. He's still running northbound on Nebraska up to Winnebago. He's armed with a black handgun, black jacket, gray pants. 2-1, he's running east through the yards here by Winnebago, Pennsylvania.
Hello? Hello, get their exact location. Get the 100 block. Attention cars, officer need to make Winnebago and Pennsylvania. Winnebago and Pennsylvania at 1804.
2-1, I no longer have eyes. We lost eyes. I got it! Get on the ground right now! 2-1, I got him in custody. Show me your right now!
Advisor 1, start EMS. Get cars up there and get what 100 block he's on. G1, car, your location. 6500, the suspect's close to yard. Blue jacket, blue black jacket, blue black jacket.
2-1 Mini, I got him in custody. I'm in the eastern alley of the 3700 block of Nebraska.
One in custody, East Alley, 3700 block of Nebraska. 321 Mini, what is your location? 2-1 Mini, I'm in the car. We're going to be heading. If you could set up traffic, go right. We're going to go.
Another one ran?
After a brief foot chase, police took him into custody. One officer suffered a graze wound above his right eye, but fortunately, he was released from the hospital the same day. Ricks, however, wouldn't be so lucky. In 2023, he pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 21 years in prison for firing at police, plus another 10 years for an armed robbery just days before the chase.
This is the guy. Did Line get shot?
Yeah, Line got shot.
Sending body worn down in 15 seconds.
December 10th, 2024. Interstate 49, Arkansas. A trooper spotted a gray Toyota Avalon flying down the highway at 90 miles per hour. But when he tried to pull the car over, the driver had other plans.
Central, so great. You got a camera, I believe. Tech tag on your chat in a second. Coming back out on Central. I just ran a curb and crashed through a sign going down towards Sugar Creek. About 90, maybe truck. Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Hold on!
Stick your hands out the window! Get on the ground!